Okay, to set this up, let's first go to our FaceTime app. Once there, we'll go to our preferences. And we want to make sure there's a few things set up here before we can actually do this. One, let's make sure you have your account, your Apple ID account, linked to this FaceTime. Also, your iPhone. Yes, you do need an iPhone in order for this to work. You want to make sure your iPhone phone number is checked here. Also to be checked is right here, the iPhone cellular calls. Make sure that is checked. Start new phone calls. Make sure that is your phone number, your iPhone phone number. And default for calls, if you have other apps installed that can make phone calls or video calls, you'll have those options there, but make sure it is FaceTime or this won't work. Now on your iPhone or iPad, you'll go to your settings, you'll touch FaceTime, and you want to make sure that these two on the top are turned on and your phone number is down below. And just like that, you're ready to make phone calls on your Mac.